Welcome to the SolaX instructional installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of SolaX LD150 battery. Before the installation, we kindly request you to take a moment to scan the QR code and check the user manual. Before the installation, please note the following conditions are met. The temperature needs to be between -20 and 55 degrees. The humidity shall be between 5 to 95%. For outdoor installation, precautions against direct sunlight, rain exposure, and snow layup are recommended. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Please prepare the following tools before the installation. Remove the protective plugs. Install the handles. Please take care to ensure the accurate and consistent thread alignment and engagement are required when rotating handles into holes. Install the L-shaped wall bracket. Remember, do not tighten the screws fully at first. Locate the L-shaped wall bracket against the wall, mark the location with a marker and drill the holes. In this video, we use the Holy board as an example. Remove the waterproof cover. Connect the positive power cable. Remove the waterproof cover. Connect the negative power cable. Connect the BMS1 port of the previous battery to BMS2 port of the next battery. Connect the PE cable. Remove the decorative cover and take off the inverter cover. Remove the protective cover. Connect the positive port of inverter. Connect the negative port of inverter. Connect to the BMS port. Connect the PE cable. Before power on, please check all the conditions are met. Check the device installed correctly and securely. Make sure that power button is off, all cables are connected correctly and securely, all unconnected port are covered. Press and hold the power button on the left electrical connection area of the battery pack until the LED lights appear. Regarding the first start, after pressing and holding the power button on the battery pack that connects to the inverter for 15 seconds, the battery system will assign each battery pack in a communication loop a unique address. Thanks for watching.